Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly while others struggle? Is it luck, talent, or something else? Welcome to a journey of understanding the art of setting and achieving goals. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's a method, a process, and today we'll delve into it. First, let's demystify what a goal is. A goal is a desired result that a person envisions, plans, and commits to achieving. A goal is more than a dream or a wish. It's a target, a destination, a clear point on the horizon to move towards. Step 1 of setting and achieving a goal starts with clarity. Clarity is the cornerstone of goal setting. It's essential to define what you want to accomplish clearly and specifically. As the saying goes, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Next, make your goal measurable. It's not enough to say, "I want to be successful." What does success look like to you? Is it earning a certain income, attaining a specific job title, or perhaps achieving a particular skill level? Make your goal quantifiable. Thirdly, set achievable goals. While it's essential to aim high, it's equally important that your goals remain within the realm of possibility. An achievable goal is one that you have the skills and resources to attain. The fourth step is to ensure that your goals are relevant. Relevance checks if the goal aligns with your other life objectives. If it doesn't, then it might not be worth pursuing. Finally, your goals need to be time-bound. A time-bound goal has a deadline. It gives you a clear time frame to work towards and keeps you motivated. Now that you've set your goal, the next phase is to execute it. This is where the rubber meets the road. It involves taking consistent action, tracking your progress, and adjusting your approach as necessary. Remember, consistency is key. Small, consistent actions often lead to significant results. Don't underestimate the power of taking one step at a time. Also, don't shy away from seeking help or collaboration. No man is an island, and sometimes achieving your goals might require the input, support, or resources of others. In conclusion, goal setting and achievement are not just about the destination, but also the journey. The process teaches you discipline, resilience, and perseverance. It's an opportunity to grow and learn about yourself. So, to recap, 1. Be clear and specific about your goals. 1. Ensure your goals are measurable. 3. Set achievable goals. 1. Make sure your goals are relevant. 1. Set a time-bound goal. 6. Take consistent action. 1. Don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start setting your goals today and take that first step towards your desired future. The power to achieve your dreams lies within you, and the process of setting and achieving your goals is the key to unlocking that power.